Hey Ankit, what's up?
Hey Anuj, how's it going? I'm good, yeah.
Cool. Let's go over the June PR plan.
Yeah, sure. Yes, June plan.
By the way, compared to last time, you're already sounding a lot better on this call. Are those new earphones?
It's all the pranayam I'm doing every day. I'm kidding. Yes, brand new earbuds, yeah.
Yeah. I think I saw some of our Me fans wear this in the last meet we had back in February.
Unlikely. These are brand new, Anuj. The Redmi Earbuds S. Completely new product.
Oh wow, did we launch them already?
No, we have not launched them yet, Anuj. I'm just waiting for my crew.
What crew?
Yeah, looks like the crew's here. I'm just waiting for the beat to drop.
The crew, the beat, what's going on, Ankit?
We'll figure it out in a second. Yo, DJ, drop that beat.
Check it, yeah, Redmi Earbuds SS. Mane swag, mane better say the best. Free to flow, free to groove, free from tangled wires while I mess. Ajo nacho me fans, put your moves to the test. Check it, yeah, Redmi Earbuds SS. Mane swag, mane better say the best. Free to flow, free to groove, free from tangled wires while I mess. Ajo nacho me fans, nacho. First, let's get one thing straight. These are truly wireless earbuds and they look f***ing great. Kya design, mighty fine. Ek baar pehen ke to dekh, big things come in small sizes. Compact case, they suit every face. Secure fit, mane they will stay in place. Morning jogging karte the karo morning race. Bhai ko laga earthquake? Nah bro, just feeling that bass. Kahani diwani ye hai earbud aur ye pani. IPX4 rating yani splash proof body. Chahe yoga ka pasina ho ya barish ka mahina ho, you never have to worry. No, we made it splash proof, yo. Check it. Yeah, Redmi Earbuds SS. Mane swag, mane better say the best. Free to flow, free to groove, free from tangled wires while I mess. Ajo nacho me fans, put your moves to the test. Check it, yeah, Redmi Earbuds SS. Mane swag, mane better say the best. Free to flow, free to groove, free from tangled wires while I mess. Ajo nacho me fans, nacho. Multi-function button. Answer calls when you wanna talk to someone. To reject, just hold for a second. Double click to enable voice assistance. तेरा भाई गेमर है, PUBG लवर है, लैग ना लगे तभी गेम मोड फीचर है. खेल बेटा, बैटरी लाइफ सुपर है. 12-hour playback, winner chicken dinner है. Summarize and visualize these features at a crazy price, and you should know there's so much more that makes this product twice as nice. Splash proof, compact size, 12 घंटे battery life, wrap from home करके launch from quarantine. Check, yeah, Redmi Earbuds SS. Mane swag, mane better say the best. Free to flow, free to groove, free from tangled wires while I mess. Ajo nacho me fans, put your moves to the test. Check it, yeah, Redmi Earbuds SS. Mane swag, mane better say the best. Free to flow, free to groove, free from tangled wires while I mess. Ajo nacho me fans, nacho.
Wow, that was amazing.
Right? So awesome. Thank you. All part of the job.
So, let me get this right. Are you saying that the all-new Redmi Earbuds S have the super compact and sleek design that doesn't stick out of your ear?
Yep,
And have up to 12 hours of playback time?
of course.
And are IPX4 protected? So if I go out for a run, sweat or rain is not going to impact this?
That's right.
And they also have a gaming mode, which means reduced latency the next time I land in Pochinki.
Bhai, haan.
Wow. All of this would make it really expensive, right?
Of course, they're not at all expensive. The Redmi Earbuds S come at an unbelievable price of 1799.
No way. You're saying the new Redmi Earbuds S are available only for $1799?
Yes.
Okay, so I have 3 follow-up questions. How can I get them? Where can I get them? And when?
The Redmi Earbuds S go on sale on the 27th of May at 12 p.m. on me.com and Amazon, and of course in our Me Homes and offline partners as well.
Amazing. Thanks team, you guys really pulled this off.
Always happy to help.
Alright, now I'm gonna go get my own pair of the Redmi Earbuds S. Thank you guys and see you soon, Ankit.
Thanks so much, Anuj. You stay safe. Take care.